Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Subly. Subly is a productivity tool. Besides, it's a financial management tool and it will help you to manage your subscriptions. If you are the person who have a lot of monthly or yearly subscription, and if you are the person who sometimes forget to renew the subscription or sometimes forget to cancel the subscription, then this Subly is the tool for you guys. And they're saying that Subly is a subscription manager tool that provides the ultimate solution to organize your subscriptions recurring payments, and it has built-in alert system, means no more overpaying. That means it will alert you before ending the subscription or before renew the subscription. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Subly, it's only 19 USD, and you can track up to 100 subscription in one code. And another thing to clarify that this deal is not stackable. And see, this tool has gotten 6 reviews and the reviews are very good. Everyone is giving here 5-star review. See, this person has bought 36 deal from AppSumo and he's saying excellent solution for keeping track of subscriptions. So everyone is giving here 5-star review and the tool is really great guys. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Subly and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you are interested to join such group guys, you are cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now this is the dashboard of Subly guys, and it's very easy to use and the dashboard is very smooth and very professional. Here, see, in the dashboard you will see all your subscriptions that you have. See, on Airtable I pay 40 USD per month. On AppSumo I pay 100 USD yearly. On Buffer I pay 50 USD monthly. On Canva I pay 55 USD yearly. On LastPass I pay 4 USD monthly. So you will see all your subscriptions here in the active section. And let's say you used one tool previously but now you do not use it. Let's say the buffer tool, you are not using it, so you can just move it to inactive. So if you move it to inactive, let me click on this move it to inactive, then I hope it will be moved to this inactive section. See, it has been moved to this inactive section. And then when you will active the subscription again, then you can just move it to your active section. So I'm moving it to the active section guys. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. Now I'll show you how you can add the subscription. Just click here new subscription and then search your tool. Let's say I will search here. See, it will recommend you a lot of tool basically. So let's say I will search here, let's say Code Academy, and then let's say the payment is 18 USD per month. You can here change the color. Let's say I'll give this color, and then here you have to set up next payment date. Let's say the next payment date is this one. And if you want to get email reminder before canceling the subscription or before renewing the subscription, then you have to just tick mark here. And then here, if you have any note about this tool, you can add the note here. So these are the things guys. After that, just click here add subscription and then it will be added here. See here Code Academy has been added guys. So in this way you have to add your subscription basically in this Subly dashboard. Now I will show you how you will add your subscription if the tool is not available in the search list. Let's say if I click here new subscription and then if I search here writer gen, see, it's not available here but you have the subscription. Now how to solve this problem, how to add this writer gen on your dashboard? It's very easy guys. Let's say I will not add here writer gen because I have already added here writer gen. Let's say I will add here Aquamba mail, so it's not also available. So let's say you want to add this Aquamba mail. Here I have another option. See, add subscriptions from scratch. So just search here or click here and then here add the name of your tool and add the category. Let's say I'll here search here is email. Okay, here is email marketing. Aquamba mail is a email marketing tool guys. and here you have to insert your URL. See, this is the URL of Accombomel, and then you can change the color if you want. Let's say I'll keep, okay, not this one. Let's say I'll keep this one. Okay, this one. And then here the procedure is same. You have to add the subscription amount. Let's say the subscription is 100 USD, and you can select here weekly, monthly, and yearly. And then here, let's say I'll select monthly, and here you have to select your next payment date. Let's say 16. Okay, and you can add here any note if you want, and then just click here add subscription. Your subscription will be added. I hope you get idea, guys. See, the account mail has been added. So these are the things, guys. You can sort it by name, by cost, and you can sort it by category also. And then here have the list view. See, this is the list view, and then here is the grid view. You can here edit the subscription. You can visit the website, you can move it to inactive, and you can delete your subscription here also. After that, they have current spending. You can see what is the monthly billing of your subscription from here, and if you just click here on this icon, then it will show you what is the yearly billing of your subscription and what is the weekly billing of your subscription. So these are the things you can get a summary by using this feature. After that, here you will see the previous month comparison. In previous month I have $0. Why? Because in previous month I was not a member of this tool. That's why it's showing me from this July month. But in your case, if you use here or with a lot of time period, then definitely you can get a comparison depending on your previous month and present month. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And see, here have the workspace. You can create more workspace from here. So I'm not creating many workspace right now, but in your case, if you want, you can create more workspace. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this dashboard section of Subli. After that, they have option for statistics or report. So from this report option, you can see how much amount you are spending on which category. And if you see this bar chart from here, see, I am spending $40 on productivity and $50 on social media tool, and on design tool I am spending $55 per month, and on other software I'm spending $100, and in the SEO software I'm spending $520 per month. So here in this section you can get a view that on which category you are spending how much amount for your software subscription. I hope you get idea, guys. And see, here I have the option. You can see the current monthly expense, average subscription cost, and most expensive subscription. You can see I'm using here SEMrush, and then most affordable subscription is LastPass for my case. So these are the things, guys. After that, they have the subscription list, and you can see which one is monthly and which one is yearly and which one is weekly. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. After that, they have setting option, and in the setting option you can basically change your currency. You can here receive monthly email summary of your spending, and then they have billing option and account option, and they have project option. Here basically you can get the more control things of your project. If you have multiple project, you will need to control this project basically from your dashboard, and you will see these things here. And in future, guys, they will bring different other features. See, Chrome extension, mobile app integration, JPR, QuickBooks, and Slack. Add attachment to subscription, invite collaborators, share public URL project, and more option for customization. And you can see the roadmap from here. See, this is the roadmap. If I just open the roadmap one time, see, this is the roadmap. You can check the roadmap, and there have a lot of features that will come in future. So these are the things, guys, and it's really a great tool. I think if you are a person who have a lot of subscription in every single month, then you can get this Subli lifetime deal from AppSumo. It's only 19 USD for your lifetime. So if you think, guys, you need this type of tool to manage your software subscription for your personal growth or for your financial management or for your business, for your agency, then you can get this Subli lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of Subli lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing also. And it's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think as this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.